So for this kothambir vadi, main ingredient is coriander, then we have a besan, then here is the chilies, garlic and cumin seeds, and the, as usual, salt. So these are the primary ingredients. So how we are going to proceed is, first take the coriander, wash it, then chop it finely, then chilies. I am just leaving it on you. If you like spicy, then you can add more chilies, then this garlic and salt add as per your taste. Now we are going to make the paste of all these three ingredients. So here are we. I just washed this coriander, then I have chopped it finely. Then, as I said, I have made a paste of this chili, cumin seed and garlic. Then here I have taken the besan. So what basically we are going to do is how the mixture we make for pakoda or bhaji, in the same way we are going to make one fine mixture. For that we may need little water, but don't add water in the starting. We don't want it so thin, we want the thick mixture. So I'll do it now and you can follow me. So this besan, this quantity will vary it based on how much coriander you are taking. Now this is the final mixture. You can add little extra besan also. As you can see, this is the final texture. Now I am going to add little amount of salt. That's it. Don't add much salt in the starting, because if you are the person who is not so great in the cooking as like me, so it will be a big problem. So in starting you can add less salt. So at last, if you need, you can add extra. So now this is the final texture. We are going to make a roll of this, that without any water. We are going to boil this one, like we'll keep in a cooker with water, then again in another pot we'll add that roll. After that we'll just make one whistle of the cooker, that is enough to boil this mixture. So by that mixture we have to make the rolls like this. I couldn't show you because my both the hands were engaged, but we have to make the rolls like this. And we have to choose a pot, because this pot we are going to keep inside the cooker. Below this pot we are going to add some water. So we have to make sure that while boiling that water, water will not go inside this pot. So we have to make sure that little height, whichever pot is having little height, that pot we can choose, and which can fit properly inside the cooker. So finally I have made this roll, and this roll we are going to keep inside the cooker, and already I have added the water for boiling inside the cooker, and now I am going to keep this pot. No need to take the drinking water for this, because anyways it's just for boiling, and we are going to keep this mixture in top of this water. So no need to use the drinking water, almost it's boiled now. And here we go. To make only one whistle for this. Yay! That's it. It will take another 10 minutes. Please keep gas in medium. No, if you have kept the inside vessel of less height, then it might this boiling water may enter inside that pot. So we don't want that one. So we can keep gas in medium flame. After one whistle of cooker, and once it is cooled down, I have taken this out. Then after, take into the plate, and then you can make such square cuts. So I have cut this one in a somewhat square shape. Now we are going to deep fry it. Whichever is stick to this pot, no need to waste it, you can just have it. This is almost ready. We are going to take out. This is ready, and we have fried till it become brown. And if you want, this is ready. You can see the texture of it. It tastes yum, really. And if you want, you can add little amount of salt in it just for that taste, and just yes, ready. Please let me know in comment box if you like this recipe and if you try in your home. So that's it guys, thank you so much.